Hello, class. So, Karl Marx is this brilliant thinker who decided to imagine what a stateless and classless society would look like. And he basically had these ideas that the very rich, they control everything, the means of production, the way that the government functions, and the workers, they work and work and work and work until they die, and the cycle continues unless they break the cycle and elevate economically. And so he's thinking, okay, in a capitalist society, that is how life functions, and eventually these people are going to revolt. So the working class revolts against the elite, and they now own everything in partnership and in connection. So there's no borders, there's no true government. Everyone works for the collective, and there would be a heavy emphasis on community and recognizing each other as human beings, individuals, people that are deserving of respect, of certain basic rights and privileges like healthcare, education, and bodily autonomy, stuff like that. So what do I think a world like this would look like? So I kind of think that it will be a little crazy at first, or depending on the time in which this would be enacted. So if it's the transition period between revolution and now everybody having to learn to work together and trust each other, I think that would be kind of a scary time. But give it some time, say 50 or 100 years, and it's more developed and integrated into society and how it would function, then I think it could be very efficient and well organized and support many people. I think it would be difficult to do at a very large scale with no sort of director, but if government could sort of be integrated in a stateless classless society, maybe it'll work. And I think that is what socialism really aims to accomplish. And I think that people would be equal in theory, like everybody would have the same starting point, so there would be some sort of equity guaranteed. I think there will be an equal amount of peace and chaos within society as there is now. Maybe there's even less chaos if people were truly supported the way that they needed to be. And I would still imagine people would have to go to work to have an efficient and innovative society. But there could be incorporated breaks for everyone and not just the people that can afford it. So those are my thoughts about this week's discussion, and thank you all so much for listening.